So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube paid me in 2024 as a full YouTuber. Yes, I'm going to jump into this trend because I know that it's going to be helpful to someone out there in case if you're not having those massive views, 1 million views, 100,000 views, 50,000 views, and all that. Yes, like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you behind the scene of how much I made in 2024. And for the record, I got monetized October ending. Yeah, October 2024 towards the ending part. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you the behind the scene of how much I made in October, November, and December. That's like 3 months. So let me know in the comment section if what I'm going to show you is worth it or not. Yes. So let's go there. I'll be showing you with my phone. I'm not with my laptop at the moment. Yeah, so I'm going to go to my desktop studio because the desktop studio is where you're going to get the full details of what you want to see, the whole analytics. So I'm in my desktop studio right now, and the whole your channel got 4,483,811. That's the total view I have or I got in 365 days in the whole of 2024 years. And then let me zoom it a bit. And then the watch hour is 27,900. Yeah, the subscribers is 11,100. Yeah, and for all this, we're going to hold on small for the estimated revenue because I know that's the reason why all of us are here. Yeah, all the nosy people that click on this, yeah, they're not nosy, they're my besties that click to watch this video. I know they're just here for the estimated revenue. Just wait and make sure you watch to the end. I'm going to make this video very short. So, but I just want to show you one particular something that people are missing when it comes to content. Yes, your content, you have video, you have short, you have live stream, you have community posts, and then your playlist. These are basically what YouTube expects from your channel. Yeah, but the one people are always focusing on is the video, the live stream, the short, but they're omitting this post. That's the community post. Why do I go to community post? You are looking for sub and you are doing sub for sub and going from one channel to order for people to subscribe to your channel. But this one got me, interesting, like for me to have subscribers, 50 subscribers from community posts. Yeah, if you're the one that you're looking for subscribers and you're not getting it from your phone videos and all that, make use of all the features that YouTube have put out there. If they ask you to create community posts, create community posts. If they ask you to do live streaming, do live streaming. If they ask you to do shorts, do shorts. For those that are afraid that short is going to destroy their channel, like, because now I can see that a lot of people that are against shorts are posting short right now. So that's why before you make any post or make a video or condemn something, just say it based on maybe you have tried it and it didn't work for you. But just because people are saying that short is destroying their channel, you too, you come and create a content and say short is destroying channel. When you are doing short and nothing, anyway, let's not go there. So what am I trying to say in this sense that if you are, you know, the type that you don't like posting in your community post, try as much as you can, put it in writing, put a picture, share your video there. Do what, anything that you know you can use to engage your audience by writing. That's what the community post is all about. So you can see that I have likes, 2,400 likes, and the impression I got from that place is 107, impression, 100 and something thousand impression, and then the subscribers, 50 subscribers just from community posts, and then the playlist. Yeah, when we talk about playlists and people always no not trend. When we talk about playlists and people always see that, oh, and it's not necessary and all that. Go if you don't have playlists right now, go and create a playlist for your channel. See all the views I got from my playlist. The total view from my tutorial is giving me 24,000, plus, and the live stream is giving me, because I have two live streaming, the new live streaming and the daily live streaming when I was in a rec stream. You can see all the massive views that are there. So what am I trying to say in essence? If you are the type that doesn't have playlists in your channel, do well and create a playlist so that it will be easy for people that come to your channel to look for one thing or the other. If they're actually there for your video, they will go to your video and watch your video. If they are there for your short or your live stream, they'll go to your playlist and just go there. And when they click on playlist, just know that every other video that inside that particular playlist, when they click play on, they'll keep on playing from one of them to another. So not just that you're getting views from there, you're also getting subscribers. Not just subscribers, you're also getting watch hour for those that want to monetize. This is just February. We're just starting the year 2025. Don't snooze or you lose. I don't know how that was just enter my head right now. So what am I trying to say? Make use of every opportunity or everything that you know that can help you in your channel to get the watch hour you're looking for. Because if you are my subscriber and you are my bestie, I am rooting for you. You must, you must. If you miss it 2024, you will not miss it in this 2025. You must get monetized, okay? And then the main revenue. Yeah, the revenue itself, the whole revenue. Yeah, I got $184.74. Yay! To some, they'll be like, is that what you're just talking about? Me, it's huge to me. You know what it means to earn in hard currency. It's huge for me. So if to you, if you are kind of, oh, it's small, yes, for me, it's much because it's just for just less than 3 months. Just I will not even call it 3 months because October is almost ending when I got monetized. So I was saying November, December, and I'm getting $184.74. Yeah. So how did this money come about? Most of them is from the watch page ads. So thank you to everyone that are watching my ads. I appreciate it also. All the people that are watching my ads, they are not skipping the ads. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And then that's a huge, most of it came from the watch ad. That's 98 $97 80 68 cents. Yeah, and the major one again, the second to the major one is the super and gifts. Yeah, that's the super chats people give me through my videos. Maybe they watch the video, they go value and they drop super chats. And then the ones that they do, during live streaming, people super chat you. I got $79.89. Yes. And then for membership as well, membership gave me $5. For those that are membership, I appreciate all of you that in my membership. Thank you. And if you have not joined my membership, please, please, you can also join my membership to support my channel and also enjoy exclusive perks that will be given in this channel. And yes, in my membership, I got $5.84. And then shorts, basically nothing came from shorts. Yeah, my short is not that shorting. My short is $1.33. So if you're watching this video, let me know in the comment section if it's actually worth it. But anyway, for the record, it's worth it for me because if I'm actually sleeping in at home or just doing, sit at home mom or mom that's not doing anything, I'll not be able to have this kind of amount in my account. But it's worth it. And I'm so ready to see what 2025 have in store for me or has in store for me. So that's basically the behind the scene of everything that's happening in my channel. Okay, see you in my next video. Probably I'll be showing you, the highest view I have in my channel, how much YouTube paid me on that one as well. See you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all.